Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to another episode of अपने लोगा सीजन 2। आज जो गेस्ट है एक और पर्सन है जिसको आप लोग बहुत ज़्यादा रिक्वेस्ट करे थे आने के लिए। इट इज़ समबडी जिससे मैं पर्सनली थोड़े महीने पहले मिली, आई थिंक जस्ट बिफोर हम लोग का जो लास्ट दावत रमज़ान हुआ था। जब मैं उनको फॉलो करना स्टार्ट करी आई रियलाइज दैट ही इज़ जेन्युइनली सो टैलेंटेड और somebody जो जिनका वीडियो आप एक टाइम देखे तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो देखते ही रहते। We have one of the most successful influencers, bloggers from Hyderabad जिसकी रील हर टाइम 1 मिलियन तो रीच करती करती। We have Amir with us. Amir, welcome to अपने लोगा। मैं बोलना चाह रही हूँ कि you are one of our most requested people to come। तो हम लोग जब पोल डाले थे, so many people said, you know, actually the most amount of people said कि you have to bring Amir this time. So I'm so glad. Thank you, आप time निकाले।
Thank you so much for having me here.
Okay, तो मैं आपसे इससे पहले एक या 2 टाइम मिली, उसके अलावा I have absolutely nothing. So tell me आपकी ब्लॉगिंग जर्नी कैसा स्टार्ट हुई? एंड मैं आपसे नहीं मिली which is amazing क्योंकि हमारे जो व्यूअर्स हैं आपकी पूरे स्टोरीज सुन सकते हैं with me. तो tell me आपकी ब्लॉगिंग जर्नी स्टार्ट कैसा हुई? How did you decide to be an influencer?
So basically, I am from a food family. So we own a bakery. So we have the 2 oldest bakeries in Hyderabad.
अच्छा।
So like बचपन से ही वो food का एक वो था craving. You know, whenever I used to go to some new place, my dad used to say यहाँ के bakery like bring यहाँ के biscuits ला लो, cake ला लो, and it went on. So बचपन से नई places को जाना, वहाँ के products try करना, and just see what is different between our bakery products and there. And then it went on, and then 2012-13 when I was in engineering, I got to know about this Facebook food groups. So ये groups where people post about their घर के cooked food and restaurants they visit, and then they used to have this food walks also. So it used to go on, जाके post करना and all, and it went on for 2-3 years. And then later on I wanted to do something different. So I used to write down stories. And every food experience had something like my wife ये बोली वो बोली, some all made up stories. So little bit of humor and all, and people used to love it. Like people used to read it so crazily. And I have a page also on Instagram, on Facebook called Hyderabad खाना एंड कहानियाँ. सो पीपल यूज्ड टू रीड ऑल द ह्यूमरस स्टोरीज एंड यूज्ड टू लव इट. एंड बहुत लोग बोले यूट्यूब स्टार्ट करो, दिस कॉमेडी पीपल विल लव इट मोर थ्रू योर वर्ड्स. एंड देन later on, I guess in 2018, Javed, he's a food blogger, the food lancer. So he one day messaged me randomly saying, कल क्रीमस्टोन में सेशन है आ जाओ. And I had no clue about food blogging. I never knew also such things existed. I knew Zubair Javed, they had a group also in Facebook, and then I asked Javed, कि क्या है भाई ये. So he said तुम आ जाओ, I'll explain you. So I went Creamstone and there were around 15-20 bloggers. And Hyderabad का जब टाइम bloggers count was 15-20 only. And I had no clue. People were clicking photos of ice cream and I was totally confused what to do. मतलब people were asking me what is your Insta handle, and I didn't even know what was Insta handle because it was like मेरे लिए तो पूरा एक ऐसा था, हाँ नई दुनिया थी. And then Javed explained me, ऐसा ऐसा है that this is now everything is moved from Facebook to Instagram. Instagram में page बनाओ, post about your food content there, and आपको restaurants invite करते हैं and all. And that time there was nothing called commercials, no paid. सब कुछ barter था and we used to do it out of passion. So चलता था. Then I started posting on my personal account. I never made a different food page because I didn't know how long this will go on. Because I was happy with my Facebook audience. I had my people loving my content there. वो मेरी कहानियाँ पढ़ते and all. So it went on and all. And finally 2019 में I decided we'll start YouTube. रेस्टोरेंट के वीडियोस बनाएंगे एंड ऑल. बट वो यूट्यूब में कैमरा के सामने बात करना इज नॉट ईजी. अपन जितना ईजी सोच, आई नो, ट्रस्ट मी, लाइक इवन रीडिंग आउट वन लाइन इन स्टार्टिंग वाज सो ऑकवर्ड. I bought a camera, tripod and all, thinking it will be so easy. But when I put a camera and start talking, I should laugh out. So with great difficulty, I made up videos, and 2020 mein I had good enough. I had like 5,000-6,000 audience and around 100 videos. And then lockdown aa gaya. So lockdown came down and nothing. Everyone are locked at homes. I wanted to make content till then. Then I used to do this cooking videos. My wife used to cook, biryani, red chicken, then custard and all. But मजा नहीं आ रहा था. So thinking what to do. वो टाइम पे this police लाठीचार्ज होता था. So police used to beat people and videos आते थे. So I used to just read, talk about that in home. ऐसा मारे इसको. This person had to go to drink coffee and all. So I thought why not do a voiceover of all these videos and put it on YouTube. So like around 10 to 15 clips I took and सबका voiceover ऐड करा comedy way में that थोड़ा ह्यूमर ऐड करा कि लोगों को ज़रूरत नहीं है बाहर जाना, इसको वाइस हमारे पुलिस. एंड आई पोस्टेड एंड 4 hours के बाद आई हैड like 50,000 views on that. Like people loved that voice over. उसके ऊपर जो कॉमेडी था ना, people used to go crazy. And I put around 6-8 videos and उसमें 2 videos million hit करे. YouTube में million is like getting a huge amount of money. Yeah. it's huge amount of money and followers भी बढ़ रहे, people, you know, comment sections to get filled up, people loving, मतलब there was hate also there, वो तो common है, but you know वो face that I was getting, no, it was good, and then दो दिन strike आए, because I took videos from news channels also, then I stopped. Then उसके बाद लॉकडाउन was going on, लॉकडाउन ओपन हुआ, then few restaurant videos, फिर बारिश हुआ, 2020 हैदराबाद floods. So that time I got a video where people in Tolchoki were actually sitting on a table and drinking tea. मतलब उनको टी का इतना craving था कि they were actually sitting on a table. So I thought let's do this also. And that बारिश के ऊपर I made a video and posted, and trust me that video had 3 hours में 200K views. It went so crazy viral. All bloggers are sending me that video saying, you know, my cousin sent me this, my boss sent me this, and actually my manager all the way from Australia sent me a mail saying, I loved your video, and it was so much of comedy. And that time also like 2 to 3 videos hit a million, and that month I got a huge payment from YouTube.
वो सबसे खुशी का रहता है YouTube से जब
payment आता, I was like shocked. मतलब literally that amount and all, you know, it was going good. Then you know I posted on 6-8 videos उसके बाद, and then later on brands didn't wanted YouTube, brands बोले कि YouTube में आपको reels आना है, you know, do reels. And by that time Dr. Footage started voice over reels and all. अब मेरे को problem ये था कि I talk a lot. अब वो YouTube का रील था 30 seconds का, अब 30 seconds में I should add humor, I should add the brand के बारे में content, food and all. It was not happening, but still I tried and finally, you know, वो Instagram का journey start हुआ, and now you can see I like have 177K followers, and I have around 150-160 videos over 1 million.
Amazing. But ये तो सही बोले, आप बात बहुत करते हैं। I think हम एक लौते गेस्ट हैं जिससे मैं एक क्वेश्चन पूछी और उन्होंने इतना लंबा आंसर दिया, so we love it, so it's amazing. But I watch all your videos, but वो जो आपका टोन रहता हाई आके फिर लो होता, फिर एक फनी चीज आके ब्रांड के बारे में बात करते हैं, इट्स वेरी इंट्रीगिंग। ऐसी चीज है कि you know you want to watch. मैं आपके बारे में जब इंट्रोडक्शन भी दे रही थी, मैं वही बोली कि ऐसे इन्फ्लुएंसर है, उनका एक वीडियो देखे तो फिर आप नेक्स्ट तो देखना ही पड़ता है, you know. तो you still do Facebook? I mean, you still do YouTube?
No, अब बहुत कम हो गया, like hardly 1 video a month.
अच्छा. क्योंकि
टाइम नहीं मिलता, basically ये shoot करो, edit करो, then I have my office work going on, I have a family, already my family is very pissed off with me that you know I don't give them time, so YouTube बहुत कम हो गया, but I'm trying to start it again.
Yeah, YouTube is amazing. I mean, Instagram is amazing, but my personal favorite is YouTube. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि आप लॉन्गर फॉर्मेट में अपने आप को इतना ज़्यादा दिखा सकते हैं, यू कैन यू नो शो योर ऑडियंस, यू नो मीट योर ऑडियंस एंड स्टफ। तो ठीक है, तो आप बोलिए आप हैदराबाद से ही है ओरिजिनली, आप हैदराबाद में यू बॉर्न, ग्रोन अप, एवरीथिंग। तो प्रॉपर बिरयानी खा के बड़े हुए हैं, बिरयानी
एंड ऑल,
चिकन 65
नाउ आई एम डेड, सो नाम मत बोलो।
तो दैट्स अमेजिंग। ठीक है, आपका डायलेक्ट बोलिए, आपका डायलेक्ट है सो दक्कनी है बट थोड़ा डिफरेंट भी है, उसके बारे में कुछ बोलिए, कैसा है, क्या है एंड एवरीथिंग।
So basically the issue is मेरे फ्रेंड्स जितने भी थे ना सब नॉर्थ इंडियन से, so I stay in सिकंदराबाद, इन एरिया में मुस्लिम शायद ही कोई है, लाइक मैं कंप्लीट मार्केट लाइक द एरिया स्टे दे आर हार्डली अराउंड 6 to 8 फैमिलीज, एंड जितने भी मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं नॉर्थ इंडिया थे, so talking to them वो बचपन से अडॉप्टेड दैट यू नो उन लोगों का टोन, लैंग्वेज, स्लैंग एंड ऑल, एंड नाउ व्हेन आई एक्चुअली टॉक इट डजंट कम आउट दैट ऑथेंटिक हैदराबाद, एंड लॉट ऑफ पीपल क्वेश्चन मी दिस, यू नो आप यहाँ से छो का, यहाँ से छो, एंड लाइक मैं यहाँ से ही हूँ, बट जो मेरे फ्रेंड सर्कल था वो वाज टोटली यू नो फ्रॉम नॉर्थ इंडिया।
आई कैन इमेजिन, क्योंकि मैं एक टाइम ऐसा मैं आप ही के साथ, मेरे बहन के साथ वो कपिल शर्मा शो में गई थी और उन्होंने हिंदी में बात कर रहे थे, तो जब हिंदी में बात कर रहे थे मेरे मुंह से हिंदी निकल रही नहीं थी, क्योंकि मेरे को इतना वियर्ड दिख रहा था कि अरे मेरी हैदराबादी अजीब तो नहीं साउंड कर रही, बट यू डोंट रियलाइज दैट पीपल एक्चुअली दे रियली लव दैट डायलेक्ट,
though they talk behind your back, but still they enjoy it.
Absolutely. ठीक है, tell us about your family. I know आप आपके वाइफ के बारे में इतने वीडियोस बनाते हैं, मेरे लिए ऐसा बोलिए, आपके लिए ऐसा बोलिए, तो थोड़ा उसके बारे में बोलिए।
So yeah, so I have my mom, my wife. I have 2 sons. So recently my wife gave birth to a son.
Wow.
So
Mashallah.
yeah. So 2 kids. Then my brother and his wife, they have a son, and my elder brother stays in Dubai. So they have 2 kids there.
Nice.
So it's a joint family actually. So we are around 50-60 people in one compound having sites. So
it must be a riot.
Yeah, I never get bored at home because there's someone or other cousin coming up and all. So it's always fun.
That's amazing. ठीक है, तो आपका फेवरेट काइंड ऑफ कोलैब बोलिए। आई नो आप फैशन रील्स भी करते, अब आप फूड तो करते ही करते, आई थिंक दैट्स योर नीश, बहुत सारे प्ले एरियाज के करते, व्हिच वन इज योर फेवरेट काइंड ऑफ कोलैबोरेशन?
So food is like my priority, but apart from food I enjoy fashion because you know I have the freedom to talk whatever I want. मतलब food में ना I have to stick to that food end of the day. end of the day people see it and understand, but still I have to talk about it. But fashion में ना you can talk anything, मतलब कुछ भी relate कर सकते, कुछ भी, and people love that.
Yeah.
So मैं बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि भाई fashion पे बनाओ, let it be about ladies fashion, gents fashion,
आई नो, बट वो ऐसी डबल एज स्वॉर्ड है क्योंकि हम लोग ज़्यादा फैशन कंटेंट करते हैं. हम लोग जब डिस्कस करते हैं ना, भाई ये ब्लॉगर की रीच अच्छी आ रही बोलते हैं, हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, हाँ फूड का है ना, कोई भी शेयर कर लेता, फैशन का नहीं करता.
नहीं करता.
तो जब फैशन का बोलते हैं वैसा दिखता है. तो आई थिंक इट्स अ डबल एज स्वॉर्ड. यहाँ पे से ये अच्छा दिखता है, यहाँ से ये अच्छा दिखता है.
A lot of fashion blogs tell me this, हमारा market, you are spoiling it, you are giving that reach, brand is expecting us to give that reach, but we are वो नहीं हो सकता.
एग्जैक्ट. नहीं, जैसा हम लोग लाइक हम लोग की खुद की कंपनी है एक्स्ट्रा मीडिया, तो उसमें भी वर्क विद सो मेनी ब्लॉगर्स. बट इट्स सो अमेजिंग टू सी कि राइट नाउ जो फूड ब्लॉगर्स हैं उन लोग की लाइक इट्स बिकम सच अ ह्यूज कम्युनिटी. और इतने ज़्यादा फूड ब्लॉगर्स हो गए, दे आर डूइंग मच बिगर रीच देन
There are 2000 food bloggers in Hyderabad, just imagine. Like reels आने के बाद से तो it's like just multiplying, like कोविड के केसेस से मल्टीप्लाई होते जा रहे हैं.
I can totally imagine. when I started मैं मेरा अकाउंट इंस्टाग्राम पे तो बहुत सालों से है, पर जब ओपन करी थी लिटरली आई थिंक I must have been one of the few people हैदराबाद में जो ओपन करे थे. And now it's so amazing to see कि इतने ज़्यादा वो
It's become a part of life, it's like addiction. Like every 2 minutes you want to know what people have commented, what people have messaged and all,
Yeah, absolutely. अच्छा ठीक है धर्मी, आपका मोस्ट एक्साइटिंग कोलैबोरेशन अभी तक कौन सा रहा है? समथिंग एक कोई ब्रांड जिसके यू thought of it for many years और finally आपको मिला.
So Lulu was like one of the craziest collab because I have visited Dubai, so Lulu I've been many times. And then when I actually got Lulu ka collab, that reel went like 20 hours में million, and like so many people really loved that उसका voice over and all. People started messaging, like I got a message from even Nexus Mall, do work for us and do a similar kind of reel. And that actually I visited Lulu like 5 days simultaneously. Imagine like every day I did Lulu, then uske the brands inside Lulu, like food courts है वहाँ के fashion shop, all messaging
Actually I found out Lulu खुला आपकी वजह से.
I know, like so many real, like people started, and that crowd and all, people started cursing me, there's so much of traffic in Phuket Pali just because of you posted that reel and people all across Hyderabad coming to Lulu.
ठीक है, तो मेरे को एक क्वेश्चन है और जेन्युइनली मैं नोट्स लिख रही थी. कैसा आपका हर रील मिलियन टच कर रहा भाई? हमारा ऐसे एक टच करने तड़प जा रहे हैं.
It is about the voice over, the comedy. लोगों को ना humor पसंद आता. Though people put lot of hate comments in my reels, but वो point ना जब लोग excite करते कि आज किस बात पे वो टेंशन नको लो बोलता, किस बात पे आज कहाँ से ससुराल रिलेट करता, कहाँ से वाइफ रिलेट करता, and that people love. Like there are Jains who watch my non-veg reels. Okay, there's one lady I met recently, and she's like, trust me, I'm a Jain. I don't even watch non-veg videos, but I watch your reels only for the comedy.
Yeah, that's so nice, amazing. ठीक है, आपकी जो एक एडवाइस है that you want to give, ये जो न्यू ब्लॉगर, न्यू इन्फ्लुएंसर्स आ रहे हैं आप लोग की, क्या एक एडवाइस जो आप बहुत टाइम ब्लॉगिंग करके सीखे?
So it's all about consistency, लोग lot of new bloggers start message करते हमको reach नहीं आ रहा, we are not getting views, grow नहीं हो रहा, followers नहीं आ रहे, brands नहीं आ रहे. It's about consistency. See, I started in 2018 and 2023 I am at a place where brands approach me. So थोड़ा तो consistency रहना. It's not like 3 महीने वहाँ start करके मैं 20 वीडियो डाली, I'm not getting views नहीं आ रहे, they are getting panicking, disappoint हो जा रहे, and then they start messaging कि top बड़े bloggers support नहीं कर रहे, motivate नहीं कर रहे. It's not about motivation. Trust me, people pushed me, but उसके आगे का जर्नी I walked it alone. So ऐसा नहीं है कि you always get motivation, you tag people or you ask people to reshare the reel. अगर आपके कंटेंट में दम है, there are bloggers जो 6 months में 100K मारे. So that content में you have that power. ऐसा नहीं है कि lot of people copy the same way I talk, the same dialogues I use. बात करके दे ऐसे कि inspired by Amer and story डाल लेते, I reshare it and वो reel को views आते. But every time it doesn't work. You should have one signature of yours. One signature of yours which people should love it.
Yeah, absolutely, I agree. But एक जो ऐसे person थे जो आपको mentor करे from Hyderabad's blogging industry, एक जो if you have anybody, who would you name?
So I would tell myself only because I keep pushing myself. कभी ऐसा होता कि reel डालते नहीं चलता, or there are days when you don't have collabs and it becomes so struggle. Sometimes, my wife, I can tell, actually, my wife is the biggest support. Even at YouTube, she was the person behind the camera. I used to make this 20-25 minutes video, and she used to hold that camera just like this all the time. She supports me a lot. Sometimes when I'm in mood off, ye collab nahi aaya, they didn't invite me, and she says, kuch nahi hota, aage aur, you'll get more collabs and all. So, mentor, I can say that, always never target or never, take a competition to the next blogger next to you.
Yeah.
Take up a celebrity.
Yeah.
That is when, I take Faizo, I take Jannat Zubair, कि एक दिन इंडिया सा बनना है. And that is when they say, aim for the stars, you'll reach the moon.
Inshallah. No, you will aim for the stars, and inshallah you will reach the stars. Inshallah. Okay, तो मेरा हर फूड ब्लॉगर से तो ये क्वेश्चन रहता ही रहता. आप लोग इतना बाहर खाते हैं, रोज बाहर खाते हैं, या फिर दुबले क्यों खाते हैं?
Duble. I was 108, okay, when I started food blogging I was 83, and now I was 108, now I'm back to 96.
Oh, wow.
Trust me, last 3 months I've visited gym every day, okay, your stories were on motivation, because like last 3 months I haven't missed a single day of a gym, and food I have completely cut it down. So the food bloggers duble रहना is like next to impossible, unless until you have a good appetite and metabolism body का अच्छा है, fine, but or else it is very hard to lose weight.
I can imagine.
And it is
मेरे husband का भी same है. When I met him, he was about 82 kgs. अभी 4 महीने पहले he was like मैं 100 touch कर लिया, अब तो कुछ नहीं बोल के. तो he's also just back to now. He's 87, 88 पे आ गए हो ना.
Weight loss is a very tough journey. People say, easy है.
मेरे को बोल रहे यार, मेरे को अभी बच्चा हुआ, 1 साल से ट्राई कर रही हूँ लूज करना, नहीं हो रहा, लूज ही नहीं हो रहा है.
अरे बिल्कुल ना, because एक दिन even if I eat 2 spoons of biryani while tasting, next day 1 kg बढ़ जाता मेरा. I tell my trainer,
नहीं, बट मेरे वेट गेन तो एक तो आप ही है, आपकी वजह से इतने रील्स आते हैं, फिर ठीक है, अच्छा चलो स्विगी करेंगे बोल के रहता है. 3
months हो गए I didn't eat dessert. More than a spoon I haven't eaten dessert. So mostly cut down desserts. बाकी तो सब चलते रहता है.
ठीक है. कुकिंग करते हैं आप, और that's something that doesn't interest you?
I can make omelette, I can make black coffee, that's it.
Wow, that's still more than
my family hates when I enter kitchen, because I mess up the kitchen and do nothing.
Sounds like me. फिर भी आपको मेरे से ज़्यादा ऑमलेट आता, मेरे को सिर्फ अंडा तोड़ के चूरा कर.
Same, वो अंडा भी आधा बाहर गिरता है and becomes such a mess, and my mom is like, no, don't come, we'll cook and give you.
अच्छा ठीक है, तो आई नो आप बहुत पहले स्टार्ट करिए ब्लॉगिंग एंड स्टफ, बट व्हाट डू यू सी द फ्यूचर ऑफ ब्लॉगिंग, इन्फ्लुएंसर्स? डू यू थिंक ब्राइट फ्यूचर है? डू यू थिंक इट्स coming down, the craze? What do you think?
I feel it's coming down because the amount of bloggers are increasing and people are promoting everything. Like road pe pani puri, and they say it's the best pani puri in Hyderabad. So people ka trust is coming down over bloggers. So I feel people who plan to like do a full time into blogging, I wouldn't recommend, because I never quit my job. So a lot of times I get this thought, I'll job छोड़ and do it full time. But then वो fear रहता कि because I have a family. It's not that I'm a bachelor, okay, I'll survive somehow. So,
but आप किधर काम करते हैं? Google, but for
so I work for Google, so I am a test lead. So I've been working with Google for the last 5 years, and I don't feel like leaving that company because work is fun.
Yeah. मैं एक time happened to visit Google office. Oh my God, there is कोई Google क्यों छोड़ेगा मेरे को समझ में नहीं आता, और कोई Google से छोड़ के किधर ज्वाइन करेंगे समझ में नहीं आता, because office क्या amazing है.
Yeah, office is amazing. There's not much of workload, supportive. The like my seniors and all are so supportive, managers and all. You'll never feel like quitting.
Yeah.
It's an addiction, which you cannot come out.
I can totally imagine.
I've gotten so many job offers in the last 5 years, but I never feel like quitting. Because I have that space where I can actually go and do blogging also.
Yeah.
One, if it's a strict 9 to 6 job, I have to sit in front of the system, then blogging नहीं होता था.
Okay, so before we get on to our rapid fire, मेरे को एक last question है कि how does it feel? अब आप कहीं जाते, कोई रेस्टोरेंट या कोई एक्सपो कहीं भी, इतने लोग आपको recognize करते, how is that feeling? Do you feel amazing कि I have built this for myself?
Yeah, I guess that is the biggest motivation for me to continue blogging till now. मतलब money and all aside, but when people come and meet you, हम आपकी videos देखते, अरे इन्हें वही चेन्नई खाने के videos बनाता, people when that actually give that like how they know me, अरे इन्हें चेन्नई वो खाने के videos बनाता, आपके videos देखते हम, आपके वो dialogue tension आपको अच्छा दिखता है and all, it actually it's the best feeling. When we went to Numaish, like my aunt and mom and all, and people coming and taking photos, everyone was shocked. My aunt is like, you are a celebrity. People are coming and taking photos with you.
Yeah.
And they, like the complete family got to know, मेरे के साथ गए तो, people will, even when I go to a restaurant, the owner comes and personally meets, and I feel that, I have built that level, that standard where
So
people,
amazing,
yeah.
amazing.
I guess only thing you can expect out of blogging is this, that people recognize you, people come and meet you and take you as an inspiration.
That's amazing, beautiful. ठीक है चलो, we are doing a quick rapid fire, very simple questions, so let's go. Okay, your favorite dish, Hyderabadi dish.
Biryani.
Okay, that was easy. ठीक है, spiciest खाना that you've ever tried.
So this pulao, okay, this Nellore Vepudu pulao, okay, this Andhra dish, okay, it is so spicy. If you eat it now, tears will start coming out of your eyes. So it is that crazy level of spice.
Okay, your favorite biryani place in Hyderabad.
This is a controversial branch will again. No, there are many. Okay, see, I love Nawab's, I love Pista House ke Zafrani biryani, Peshawar and Meridian. Okay, no.
अब तो बहुत मेरी तो इतनी फेवरेट है मेरिडियन की बिरयानी. अब खुल गई क्योंकि मेरे को नहीं मालूम खुली या नहीं खुली. तो हमें रोज सोच रहे हैं आज मेरिडियन की बिरयानी खाएंगे बट बंद है.
Yeah, seriously, their chicken 65 biryani or the mutton, that is the best.
Like it's my favorite. कोई भी बाहर से आया तो कोई भी बोलता तो हमने मेरिडियन की मतलब दूसरे नाम नहीं लेना चाहिए.
Try Nawab's. Nawab's is like.
I've never tried. I'll try.
Right.
Actually. Okay, a must-try dessert in Hyderabad.
Kunafa as of now.
Okay. Top tip for a food blogger.
Be consistent, be dedicated, and trust your content.
Okay. Your favorite cuisine besides Hyderabadi khana?
I love Chinese, I love Mughlai, I love Arabian.
Yeah. Okay. City side or countryside? Where do you prefer to be?
City.
But अब ऐसा हो गया हैदराबाद से क्या?
कहाँ भी जाओ लेकिन you travel 60-80 kilometers out of Hyderabad, you still find traffic, you still find people.
Absolutely.
आजकल long drive जैसा कुछ रहा नहीं. Even if you go 100 kilometers, you still find traffic.
Absolutely. ठीक है. Your comfort food?
Rice, khatti dal and chicken 65.
हाँ, I think वही रहता सबका. मेरा तला हो गया.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Dream travel destination for culinary experience?
Turkey.
Yeah. Okay. Blogging के अलावा what do you enjoy doing?
I love traveling, movies,
Yeah.
Netflix too is like every night I don't watch a web series, I don't get sleep.
So tell me your favorite web series right now.
Now as of now, I guess I was watching some horror web series, I don't remember the name. It's some Spanish dubbed into it. So
Okay.
weird.
Favorite actor?
Shah Rukh Khan.
Good. Now we can be good friends
Yeah.
because Shah Rukh is your
No,
favorite.
he is an inspiration.
Shah Rukh is like my heartbeat. So yeah. Okay. Tell me your favorite music, kind of music you listen to.
Atif Aslam.
Oh, nice. I also love it. Preferred form of exercise.
Weights nowadays. Because cardio is not my cup of tea.
Worst. Okay, your favorite blogger from Hyderabad.
Why is many controversial?
एक तो बोलना पड़ेगा अब आपको.
अरे ओके हैदराबाद से अब एक का नाम ले तो और एक.
हाँ, एक तो बोलना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, दो बोलिए या चार बोलिए. जो बोलते बोलिए. But favorite
There are lot, okay, lot of people
You
who.
can tell.
Okay, I thought it was dedicated food blog. Yeah, Namrita, okay, she is an inspiration, like seriously, you're into fashion, you conduct events, you're into so many things that, when I see.
ऐसा हो गया jack of all trades, master of none की situation आ गई.
No, serious, I tell my wife also, how does she manage all this? And she is like, she's getting angry, wife, किसी की तारीफ they can't digest it, so she's like.
नहीं, मेरे husband बहुत supportive है, very supportive. I have a supportive family, my mom, dad, sister.
No, but you are into so many, when Ramzan comes, you have this Dawat Ramzan. Dawat Ramzan, yeah, then you do these events, you have a media agency and all, how do you manage?
Yeah, alhamdulillah. Somehow I manage. I make it. Like most of the times, I'm dying most days. But
Because people, when I do a job and do blogging only, they ask, how do you manage this? And they should actually question you this.
Yes. Okay. So the last few questions. Chai or coffee?
Chai.
Favorite all-time movie?
Movie, any horror movie. Purani Haveli,
Okay.
Band Darwaza.
Okay. Morning person or night person?
I'm a night person. I can't wake up in the morning.
Okay. This one is tough. Instagram or YouTube?
YouTube.
Okay. And finally, food blogging, fashion blogging, lifestyle blogging. If you had to be just one kind of blogger, which one would you be?
I guess fashion. Because it is more creative. Food has become a routine, same food, you'll show the food, you'll talk about it. And the same similar kind of restaurants also coming up, you have this Mandi restaurant in every lane, you have the same Italian restaurants, the same biryani hotels. There's nothing new coming up where, you can actually show something. Now, Manam was there was something new, but nothing like that coming up.
अमेजिंग. हम लोग आज ही बात कर रहे थे कि एक एक गली में न्यू कैफे खुल रहा है. कब खुल रहा है, क्या खुल रहा है, मालूम ही नहीं हो
They
रहा
are opening, ऐसे बंद हो जा रहे, खुल रहे, and you never know, इतना ज़्यादा कंपटीशन होगा, like people with no food knowledge are coming up with restaurant.
Absolutely.
And then they call bloggers and tell us how to promote it, how to do this and all.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Amir. आप time निकाले, आप आए, and thank you so much for doing this to us.
Thank you so much. It
And
was fun.
we can't wait to do so many things inshallah together.
Inshallah,
and
we'll
with
work.
clients, with Aate Ramzan, with apne loga, and I can't wait for you to reach the stars.
Inshallah. Same to you.
Thank you so much. I hope आप लोग सबको ये episode बहुत अच्छा दिखा. It was so lovely talking to Amir, एक fellow influencer, somebody जो हमारे इतने सारे clients के साथ काम करते हैं दावत रमज़ान के लिए. He's done reels, somebody who's so genuinely nice, humble. It was so nice talking to him. I hope आप लोग को मज़ा आया. Don't forget to comment and tell me आप और किसको अपने लोगा में देखना चाह रहे. And until next time, bye bye. Before I leave, super shout out to Divit Photography for shooting this, and to White Mango for letting us shoot in their beautiful menu. Bye bye, Hafiz.